Let's start with a thought experiment. Imagine any fundamental commodity: electricity, gas, water. A company can 10x the supply of the commodity at 1/10 of the cost. Would that add value? That's exactly what NodeShift does, but in the cloud infrastructure space, by connecting hundreds of data centers across the globe and making their capacity easily available at 70% cheaper compared to AWS, Google Cloud, and Microsoft Azure in one enterprise-grade cloud platform. But first, let's take a step back and dive into what exactly are the problems with AWS, Google Cloud, and Microsoft Azure. It's no surprise these platforms are expensive. These are oligopolies that control over 65% market share and charge outrageous markup prices on top. To really put it into perspective, AWS represents 13% of Amazon's revenue, yet over 73% of its profits. Secondly, when you sign up to any of these platforms, you agree with their terms and conditions, which state that you essentially give up on privacy. Last, limited geographical availability. You can only deploy data centers in Europe, US, and a little bit of Asia. But what if I told you that you could take advantage of affordable pricing and wide geographical coverage in one enterprise-grade cloud platform? And that's exactly where NodeShift comes into play. We aggregate hundreds of data centers across the globe, we take their spare capacity, and we make it easily available through compute virtual machines, GPU virtual machines, and storage at 70% cheaper. The best part, you only pay for what you use, ideal for small and medium businesses. But you don't have to take my word for this, because our customer, IMA, a Swedish marketing company, used to pay $20,000 a month with AWS. They transitioned over to DigitalOcean, where they're paying $14,000 a month. Now they're sitting with NodeShift at $3,000 a month, while also improving their overall latency. And that's just one example out of many. We're currently working on 19 proof of concepts, 4 with enterprises such as Toyota, 6 with small and medium businesses such as Avum Health, and 9 with startups such as Boosteroid, where the average deal size is anywhere from $150,000 to $1.2 million a year. The way we're targeting these customers is through an aggressive go-to-market strategy, where we reach out on a monthly basis to over 10,000 prospects, which convert to about 20 calls, where we lock in approximately 8 deployments a month. We also launched a pretty aggressive inbound lead strategy too. And the market is truly huge. As Jeff Bezos has said, the cloud market size is unconstrained, being valued at over $670 billion. And who better to tackle such a huge market other than a team of cloud engineers that has done it before? A team of cloud engineers that has studied similar products and projects over at Oxford University. A team of cloud engineers that has built similar products over at Microsoft and Cisco. Let's end with a thought experiment. Imagine any fundamental commodity: electricity, gas, water, cloud infrastructure. A company can 10x the supply of the commodity at 1/10 of the cost. Would that add value? Would you want to be a part of it?